waiting to have some massages. Melissa's waiting for her massage, and as you've just seen, the boys are having their massages. And Sharon over here is going to be having a lovely relaxing facial. And here we have
me being a real pain in the ass again.
No, get the manicure, not being a pain.
Hand manicure on a holiday after a big day out. Nice and relaxing.
Yes.
With
Because I'm a pain, I know it and I admit it.
Listen to you, William.
So here we are at the Milawa Cheese Factory, looking at all the delicious bits we can try to taste or purchase or whatever. Here's beautiful Melissa over here. Hi Melissa. Are you finding something nice here, darling? Yeah. Fantastic. There's lots of nice things to look at, isn't there, hey? All yummy things. Here's Lise and here's William. Hi William.
Hello.
How are you today?
Alright.
Are you enjoying being at the Milawa Cheese Factory today?
Yeah.
You're having a look at some yummy things that you might buy?
Yeah.
You might have something to buy or have a bit of morning tea here, do you think? Fantastic. Excellent work. I'll see you soon. And we're having a little bit of morning tea, aren't we, Melissa? Hi, Melissa's got a nice white chocolate freckle with some nice chocolate cold milk. And the rest of us are waiting for our hot drinks to come. Aren't we, William? We're waiting for... What are you having, William?
Cappuccino.
A cappuccino, you're not, are you?
Yeah.
Oh, my gosh. And what's Neil going to be having today? A cappuccino as well. Fantastic. And what's Sharon having today for morning tea? Mind my own business. Well, that's lovely, isn't it? But Sharon has bought something nice. Is she having a hot chocolate? Some lovely relish. At least been purchasing a few things for her family and friends when she gets back home as well, haven't you, Lise? From the Milawa Cheese Company. All right. So here we are at sunny Broadford on our last afternoon tea before we head back into Southern Cross Station. And here we have the lovely Neil. Neil, have you had a lovely holiday?
I've enjoyed everything about the whole day, yes I have, and yourself and Martin and Lisa and everyone here. It's been a lovely time, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Enjoyed everything I've participated in, it's been good.
Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure having you with us.
Thank you.
And we hope to see you again in the near future on another Club Mates holiday. Thanks for coming. Here we have lovely William. William,
Yeah.
what have you got to say about your holiday?
Very nice.
You've enjoyed
holiday.
yourself?
Perfect.
Thank you very much.
Very much.
That's great.
I'll see you next year.
You will. We'll look forward to seeing you again, William, and thank you very much for travelling with Club Mates.
Yeah.
Take care. We have the lovely Melissa. Hello, Melissa. Good, thank you. Have you had a nice holiday? You had? That's great. Well, thank you very much for travelling with Club Mates. Have you enjoyed your holiday at all? Anything nice?
Yeah, most of it's been good.
Most of it's been good? Oh, well, that's good. Well, thank you very much for travelling with us on Club Mates holiday, Sharon. Hope you've enjoyed yourself and hopefully we'll see you again in the future. Take care. Take care until next time. Hi Neil.
Hi, Ryan.
Hi William.
Thank you, I'm enjoying my muffin and my holiday.
Lovely. Excellent news. Hi Lise. Been doing a great job driving. Thanks so much. There's Melissa. Melissa, hi Melissa. And here's our lovely Sharon. Hi Sharon. Hey?
And you get the picture with me.
Oh really? Oh, that's not very nice. Never mind. So here we are, we're at Harris Farm Markets in Orange, and we're going to collect the fruit, buy some fruit and veggies for our lovely dinner tomorrow night. That these lovely
Luncheon, isn't it?
lunch,
Lunch, is it?
for lovely lunch for tomorrow at lunchtime.
Yep.
We're heading on into the supermarket, into the Harris Farm Market, to get all the healthy food for us to eat. That these lovelies are going to cook for our lunch tomorrow, for Lisa and I. Here we go now. Nice oranges. There's some nice pumpkin, 59 cents, not bad.
Yeah, right. Now we need
Not
a
bad.
little pumpkin. Everyone's going to have pumpkin except one person wants it. Except
Here we go. We need just a little pumpkin, not too big. So we're at the pumpkins. Jarradale pumpkin, 59 cents a kilo. Very good value.
No, he's good. We need a little
This is
pumpkin.
Jasmine. Jasmine's going to be our cooking teacher. She's going to assist the guys to cook our meal for us for tomorrow. And here we go, we're going to go in and we're going to have a little look around, and the guys are going to select what we'll be feasting on tomorrow.
Now we're up in the third gallery, and it's pretty colourful up here. What have you found, William? What have you found? Oh, wow. Colouring competition.
Yeah. I'll be in competition.
You'll be in competition.
I'll have one.
Good on you. What have you got there? Tim Miller Art Gallery. Nice, Neil.
Yeah.
Did you enjoy upstairs
I
art
haven't
gallery?
enjoyed it, it's lovely, yeah, thank you.
Which one do you like?
I like the one with the paddleman paddling, and the one over there, the pencil.
Yeah, pencil artwork.
Yeah, it's nice, all nice, yeah.
That would take a few hours to do.
Yeah, I like the one with the seaplane as well, the paddling over there, it's good, yeah.
at the Orange Botanical Gardens, and we're just going in to have a bit of a stroll around after yummy morning tea. We've got Melissa and Neil, William, Marlene, and myself.
So here we are. The guys are preparing dinner for us tonight. We're going to have beautiful roast lamb with lots of roast vegetables. And here's Melissa and Lisa. And they're shelling the fresh peas, aren't you, ladies? Have a look at this.
Fresh peas.
Look in the pot. We've got nice fresh peas. How many have we got in there? Oh, we need a couple more, I think.
A dozen.
Yeah. Okay, I'll come back and see how we're getting along soon, all right? And here's William. And William's been helping Jasmine to cut up the sweet potato. Look at what a great job he's done there. They all are in there nicely. Jasmine's doing the big hard job cutting up the pumpkin because that's a bit of a big job, that one. And
Can you, if you go
Snake
around the
around
end
here.
of the bench over there, on the end you'll see plastic containers.
who we got over here? We've got Sharon over here. And Sharon is top and tailing the beans. I hope you're not eating them all, Sharon.
No, down beside the bench there.
Just top and tail them. And here's Neil. He's been doing a terrific job, haven't you, Neil?
Yeah, we've got
He's
cutting the
cut
spuds in
up
half,
all the
sliding them
spuds
Another big
About
one.
to put them in the thing shortly and
in the oven. They're going in the oven soon.
coming soon, yep.
Good man, you're on the job, you are.
Yeah.
Might take you home so you can cook for me.
Sounds good.
That sounds like a plan.
Yeah.
I have to
Neil,
pinch
you
you.
want that for your spuds?
Here we go. We're going to put the spuds into a nice container, put a little bit of water on them probably.
I'll put water in
And
there.
so later on they can
I'm
go
doing
into the
very
oven.
Well, thanks, William. You can
I'll put the potatoes in
Jasmine's
first,
doing
and I'll
the-
put the water in.
Jasmine's doing the hard job. She's cutting up the pumpkin, mate.
Hawthorn. Oh, I see. You follow AFL. I don't.
I'm a Western supporter. We're going to win tomorrow.
You never know, do
Looking
you?
for
You never
number
know.
14.
All right.
14.
Right, now we've got 4, so...
There we go. William's on the job
I'll put
now.
these
He's
in water.
No.
Chef Neil on the job over here, and he's got his apron on.
Yeah, supervising
And
the veggies in the
he's
frying pan.
supervising the veggies in the frying pan. Make sure they don't jump out. Make sure they don't muck around.
No.
Otherwise they get a smack.
That's right, yeah.
There we go. What have we got? Chef Neil, what have we got?
We've got
What have you got in here?
Pumpkin, sweet potato. That's about the size of it there.
Pumpkin and sweet potato. It smells very nice.
It does, yeah, it smells yummy.
It's a shame it's not a smeller camera phone. Smeller camera
Yeah.
video.
That's right,
We
yeah.
smell the veggies good and the roast lamb cooking nicely, couldn't we?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, and here's Neil, and Neil's just about to have some of the lovely food that he's helped to cook and prepare this evening.
Enjoyed helping making it and cooking the veg in the fry pan and getting it ready. And
He's done a wonderful job, Neil, haven't you?
Thank you, Marlene.
You should be very proud of yourself, and this is the final outcome we've got. We've got all these lovely vegetables and beautiful roast lamb and gravy. Oh my God, we're going to have a treat.
Yep.
Aren't we? Thanks for
Lovely.
all your help, Neil. You've been terrific.
You're welcome, thank
Over here, we've got the lovely Sharon. And Sharon's been very good in participating with the cooking of this lovely, preparing this lovely meal for everyone tonight. See, you've done a great job.
Yeah.
Okay, well done, sweetheart. This afternoon, happened to prepare a lovely meal. She's been shelling the peas, and look at them peas, don't they look delightful? Hey, the whole meal looks beautiful. You've done a great job, Melissa. Did you enjoy cooking, helping to prepare this lovely meal this afternoon? Yes. Yes, thank you very much for that. It looks delightful. Thank you so much. home. Are we having a nice holiday?
Yeah, I mean, I'm enjoying it, loving it.
You're having a lovely holiday? Thank you, Neil.
That's right.
Hey, good morning, Doc.
And William, are you having a nice holiday? Are you having a nice holiday?
Yes.
Yeah, do you want to say hello to everybody at home? Tell them how much fun you're
Everybody
having.
home,
Having a lot of fun.
having fun.
Yeah, that's the way. Good man. At least you're having a nice holiday.
Lovely holiday, enjoying the time with everyone.
And we've got some lovely sunshine this morning, haven't we?
We have. We're very lucky.
And who have we got here? Melissa. Hello, Melissa. Are you having a nice holiday?
Yeah.
Yes.
I know, yeah.
Having lots of fun and enjoying some sunshine.
I know.
Good lady.
Where'd you get your new hat from?
Caves. Wow, that's beautiful, Melissa.
Really?
And Neil's got some show and tell as well. Here we go.
I got a Denali Caves, I'll give it the souvenir shop, and I got a Denali Caves hat.
Oh, fantastic.
I got a Denali Caves, I got a pamphlet.
Pamphlet? Oh, that's nice, isn't it? That gives you a good idea about what's been happening here for a long time.
Yep, and I've got a teaspoon on the...
There's another wind cheater there. Can I spy another wind cheater? Oh my gosh, have a look at you go. You've been shopping up a treat, haven't you?
Yeah.
Here you go, William.
And a
Hold on to that
kiwi.
side.
Oh, wow.
Hold on to that side.
And lovely Janolan Caves hoodie. How gorgeous is that, hey?
Yeah.
What a lucky man you are.
Yeah.
And is there something...